Welcome to another episode of Mobile Meals. Steve Duval and Tom Shaw with you from Thor Motor Coach. Today we got a little Asian flavor cooking in our kitchen. You know, one of our favorite restaurants at my house, we love the Chinese buffet, right? It's a lot of everything, but if you eat there too much, you're gonna be the size of a house. Nobody wants that. So we got a quick little, lot healthier version of kind of a chicken fried rice, but you could use shrimp if you want. You could use a little beef, but we went with chicken for this one, and it's real simple. It's peas, it's carrots, it's onion, a little egg, your chicken, some soy sauce, and optional green onions. And what to do with the green onions, Tom? We opted in. We opted in for the green onions. So we got our cooked rice. The first thing we're gonna do is turn on our induction cooktop, and we are going to add in some sesame oil along with the onions and the peas and the carrots. So go ahead and give that a good coating at the bottom there. Just like that, you get that flavor in there. There you go, dump those in, and we are going to stir in our peas and carrots as well. And what you wanna do is you wanna mix these all together and cook them till they're nice and tender. All right, so we let the peas and the carrots and the onions cook until it's soft, just a couple minutes there. So right now I'm gonna need you to, we're gonna do a little Top Gun here. I need you to be my wingman, only my egg man. And in this episode, Goose lives. Okay? All right, I feel the need for eggs. All right, so what you do is you kind of move your peas and your carrots to this side. You let your egg man pour those into that side, nice and hot. You scramble them up, just like that. Go ahead, drop those in there. Look at that. And you scramble your eggs. We need a handy appliance that will scramble its egg while it's still in its shell. I think they actually made that.
Oh, really?
All right, so you want
one seller.
Get your eggs nice and scrambled here. All right, and then when your eggs are scrambled, you mix it in, mix it all up. So now we're going to throw in our chicken. You want that to get heated up. Get everything all mixed together here.
And that chicken's already pre-cooked.
Correct. You can do a couple of different things. You can go out and grill your own chicken. We honestly, this is just canned chicken because it's fast, it's easy, right? And a lot of times you need something fast and easy that goes together real quick on those busy nights. You just don't feel like spending a lot of time in the kitchen. And again, it's mobile meals, so it's not about the way it looks, it's about
the way it tastes.
And this is gonna be delicious. Tom, let's grab some of that rice and pour that in, please. Now you're my rice man. All right. And we'll give you the entire recipe at the end of this video here, and you can adjust the rice to your liking. You can throw in a little more if you want. We made a lot. I just made the whole box. Because Tom and I are hungry today. There we go, that's probably good. There, and you just want to heat that through. How about some soy sauce? Soy man, soy me up. There you go, a little soy sauce mixed in there. You need a little salt and pepper to taste if you want. Then you just heat this through, just like that.
And it looks like we made enough to
oh my gosh.
The whole park.
This is how much, if I went to the Chinese buffet, this is how much I would end up eating. But that's the nice thing about this is you can do shrimp one night. You can do beef.
Yeah.
You can do pork. And once it's heated through, I'll tell you what, I'll trade you and set the rice on that burner that's not on. The nice thing is about the induction cooktop, as soon as you take your pan off of it, it turns off. So here we are. Here is our
delicious,
better than takeout chicken fried rice.
Nice.
Now we have the entire recipe for you right at the end of this video if you'd like to make this at home. And that's the great thing about mobile meals. This goes together so fast using simply our induction cooktop. You can use a gas cooktop as well, it doesn't matter. So just like that, you're gonna have this, and we're gonna grab a couple plates, maybe a little sake. We gotta go get some sake.
What do you think Aria scale wise this was?
Oh boy, what is a 1? 1? I would say this is a 1. It goes together so fast. So enjoy, and we will see you next time on Mobile Meals.